Hello again, good people of Veni Vidi Vintage Repair. Welcome to my channel. As previous videos, guys, there is a problem with the capstan motor, the stability of the speed. When it's warm, it keeps the correct speed, but when it's on cold start and needs about one and a half hour, uh, it doesn't keep any correct speed on the capstan motor. So today I'm gonna remove again the front panel. I'm gonna remove the mechanism. I'm going to recap the that board, and I receive finally the Azimuth belt from Germany, and I couldn't get anything locally, and that's the task for today, and see what's happened after we do that. So be patient, stay with me, I will be back shortly. Hello after short break. So that's the inside of the deck, uh, and 4700 that needs to be exchanged, and all the electrolytic capacitors I will exchange today. And I will love to see if the deck performs the way it's supposed to, because what's happened is when I replace the capacitors on the playback amplifier, the channel came back. So I will do the measurements using my Hewlett-Packard LCR meter, and as you can see, the mechanism was removed, and I need to exchange the Azimuth belt. That was a little bit laziness from me for the first part when I was rebuilding, so I'm gonna do that and check the belt because it's the custom made print belt, so I want to check that and we take it from there. So after short break, as you can see, guys, sorry, I'm moving my phone, this is the new belt and this one is the old one. So that's the new belt sitting on the wheel, and surprise, this is the original motor, and that part which is holding, this part which is holding the wheel for Azimuth was just broken. When I remove, the part fell apart. So this part was broken already, and I don't know if the motor definitely had a movement, and I didn't see that. So I replaced it. I have couple of donor Nakamichis, so I replace it with from the donor and a new belt, and we take it from there. After short break, as you can see, I'm start to recapping the board, and just remove the 4700 microfarad, which obviously I want to check it, and let's do the measurements and compare with brand new one. Of course, we're using either Rubicon or Nichicon Gold, and we take it from there. So I haven't decided which I'm gonna use. This is 16 volts and Rubicon is 35 volts, so that's the reading of the Shoei, which is way below, and I was preheating the deck. The deck was formatting the capacitors for about a week, so I want to make sure they're in roughly good position. And let's compare right now. Just be with me, and I'm going to connect the Rubicon and the Nichicon. Hello, after short break. I'm not gonna record every single capacitor. This is 4.7, and as you can see, the readings, and this is the old Shoei, and this is the readings of the new Rubicon. So 1.2, 4 times less, no brainer. I'm carrying on working on the recapping of the board, and I will be back soon. So after good 2 hours of work, and with very cautious not to damage anything or not to remove, the board was recap. So I replace all the capacitors, and I use Rubicons and Vima, and as you can see, the 4700 is a Nijicon Gold. So that's been done. I'm planning to replace the 2, 4, 6, 7 capacitors on that board, and I think because I have everything apart, and sometimes the bipolar capacitors, they give a trouble, so I will do that right now. It won't take long, and take it from there. Hello good people. So I recap the board. It's all been done, and that's the effect of today recapping. And yes, I'm going to reinstall the board and put back the mechanism, and that's it. We're going to run the tests. So hello after a short break, good people of any video vintage repair on my channel. Today we doing recapping, and also I'm doing the I exchanged the belts as you saw on the previous videos. So now all been done, reinstalled. As you can see, the electrolytic capacitors, the orange one, Shoei, they are low ESR, so I'm replacing them with Vima, so also low ESR, and the rest I left as it is with electrolytic. Also on that board, which the bipolars I was replaced with Vima. So now, good people, if you give me a couple of moments, I will reinstall the mechanism, reconnect everything, and finger crossed, the stability of the motor will be back from the start, so we don't have to worry anymore. And that was my main concern. Hello people. So I reinstalled the mechanism, and the mechanism is already adjusted on the heads are adjusted on M9039. Just want to make sure everything is fine. It's been reconnected, and so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the front panel secure, reconnect, and then we're going to test. I had a short conversation with the owner of the deck, and I was asking regarding the audiophile cable, which was I'm sure there is a paperwork from Japan when he bought the deck, because this is original deck from Japan, and that's been replaced by Nakamichi service. I asked him if he wants to go back to the original cable, power supply cable, which I have. As you saw, I replaced it with spare part, the Azimuth motor casing and the whole unit. So he will let me know. This is a simple thing, I can do it. My main concern was the motor speed, and that was the case. So hopefully after recapping the boards, everything will be back to normal, and then we can investigate more. Stay with me, good people of NVIDIA Nakamichi. I will be back shortly reinstalling the front panel. Hello, good people. During installation of the front panel, as you can see, I noticed that one of the capacitors, 1000 microfarad, is wobbly on the CPU A. This is the CPU A, and funny thing is, it looks corroded. So I did not plan to exchange them yet, but it seems like necessary. So like with every vintage equipment, you can expect unexpected. So this is one of the things. I'm going to replace them right now, and we take it from there. So quick update, as you can see, and even so, okay, that's unbelievable. Stay with me, people. I will connect new one and you can compare yourself. From 1000 is almost 20% loss, but the ESR is very, very high. So a second, people, and I just reconnect one of the new capacitors, as you can see, and it's 852, but this is just from the package, so that will go. But you can see it's almost 10 times less the reading than the previous one. So cutting the long story short, definitely we exchange them. I'm gonna place them now and I will see you shortly. Hello good people. After I decided, I spoke with the owner and I said, look, there is something wrong with the motor. I couldn't adjust it at all and everything was recapped. I had another Nakamichi motor which was fully refurbished, and I propose that we're going to just simply don't have time to do it today. So that's going to be refurbished, and the fully refurbished motor is already installed, belt installed. I just need to solder it, the power supply, and let's wait. Let's see what we achieve. Good people of any video Nakamichi, still have a problem with the motor. I need to investigate it deeper. The motor, refurbished motor, was installed. Everything is, it seems to be alright, but apparently is not. So a problem with the speed motor. After recapping the board, replacing the motor, I'm still facing a problem with the speed, and I done some measurement on the motor. There is 11.3 supply, so the mechanism was rebuilt and I still have to investigate. So that's it for today. The issue, hopefully I will resolve it shortly. So be with me, and thank you very much for watching the video. Not easy deck, and this is the third deck, and I'm facing for the first time the problem with the speed. So thank you again for watching. Thank you for visiting my channel. Please subscribe if you like it, and another videos will be posted shortly. Thank you again. Have a lovely weekend.